Hello, party people. Hello, it's Randy for Thunderhorse Descendant. I am doing my very first video outside for the year. I hope it turns out. I am here with my very first package from Bargin Bead Box. This is May 2020 Surprise Bargain Bead Box. So, I'm going to open it up and we shall see what's going on. This is my very first one. I just did my subscription. So I've never had a package from them before. So we shall see. Anywho, let's just see what we got, right? Alright. So it comes in this cute organza bag. Can already tell there's some super cute things in there. So, here we go. Oh, I dropped my paper. Okay, so it looks like it comes with 17 items, and I'm just going to go down the list. I'm going to get you a little closer here. Oh, good, they're numbered. Cool. That makes it a lot easier. Alright, so let's start with number 1. So number 1 is a 15-inch strand of 8mm frosted Amazonite round beads. So these are nice. I'm just going to move this over just a smidge. Yeah, these are really cute. They feel substantial. The holes look wide enough. They're not the brightest color that I've seen, but they will still work. I am out of rounds almost, and I like to use these when I make my round stretch bracelets, so I am super excited about that. So that was number 1. Number 2, it looks like all of the findings in this box are going to be gold. So, number 2, we have some 5 grams of 35mm brass eye pins with gold finish. You know, it's always good to have those findings. I'm glad that they sent them because, I mean, I honestly kind of like to get findings. Let's see, number 3. What do we got? Number 3. Where are you? There we go. Alright, let's take these out of the package and look at these. This is 10 pieces of 18 by 13mm scrolled links. These are cute. I like these. I would be using these for earrings. I would be using these to connect chain, do some wire wrapping, add into necklaces and bracelets. I think you could do a lot with those. So I am appreciative of that. Ooh. Also in the gold color. So that is good. Alright, number 4. Here's number 4. Number 4 is a 17-inch strand of 4mm crystal Bicone beads in blue iris. Oh yeah. I hope these are coming across on the camera as well as they are in this natural light, because they're spectacular. Super nice. I really like this. Those will definitely be going good with our blue, sea blue, what was it? I gotta look. The Sea Breeze palette. That's what it is. Okay, number 5. Number 5 is a 5x5 strand of 14 by 16 millimeter crystal faceted teardrop beads in turquoise AB. I like these. These are really nice. I hope you're getting the full effect here. Super pretty. I would probably use those in like some chandelier earrings. My personal opinion. Number 6. Okay, here's number 6. Number 6, 4 pieces of 14.5 by 13 millimeter fancy chandeliers. Well, there you go. See, look, they read my mind. They read my mind. So then what you can do is take your teardrops and hang them off. Yeah. Well, that was just lined up perfectly. Okay, number 7. Number 7. Lucky number 7. Where did you go? Oh, nice. Number 7 is some chain. It is 1 meter. Oh, this is cool. I like this. This is called, I don't know if I'm saying this right. It is called Steel Figaro jewelry chain. I dig it though. What do we say? A meter is equal to about a yard. Isn't that how that works? That's nice. It's really nice that they include the chain with the kit, because I think honestly, like, you could never have enough chain. Okay, number 8. Number 8 is a 7.5-inch strand of 4 by 5 millimeter semi-round freshwater pearls. The genuine article, looks like. Perfect for our sea breeze theme. Those are nice. Super cute. Number 9 is a 12-inch strand of 6 millimeter crystal round beads in Caribbean blue. I like those. They look a little more turquoisey to me. I wonder how they match up with these. They're a little lighter, but they're still really pretty. I like this theme. Like I said, this is my first Bargin Bead Box. I like the theme. 10, number 10. Here we have 30 pieces of 6.5 millimeter scalloped bead caps in gold. Those are cute. Those are going to match all of our other findings that came. I gotta flip this over. Number 11. Some spacer beads. I think it's nice that they included, again, all of those gold. Are these metal or plastic? These are acrylic. They feel acrylic to me. I really like these beads. These are called barrel spacer beads. 3.5 millimeter faceted barrel spacer beads. And I really like these because when you use them in projects, it really makes it look finished and nice. It allows you to use a spacer bead, but doesn't. It just gives it a little more character instead of it just being a round. So I appreciate that. Number 12. Oh, these are cute. Number 12 is a two-piece synthetic Drusy link in teal with a gold finish. So these are acrylic. They're cute. I would probably use them in a bracelet or maybe even on a necklace. I don't necessarily appreciate so much that they're acrylic. You can really tell with the resin on here. I would have preferred to see an actual Drusy stone, but they will still match in the theme, and I will still use them. Okay, number 13. Lucky number 13. Oh. These are two pieces of natural freeform round freshwater pearl links. See, now this is a little more my speed. So I like those. They're double-sided. Genuine pearl. And I would use those the same ways that I would use the links in these Drusys. You could add those into necklaces, bracelets, earrings. Like, you can really do a lot with links. So I'm super happy about those. Let's see, 14. 14, we have some clasps. Again, all the findings in here are gold. It looks like, what, 4 sets? 4 sets of classic rope toggles. So I like this. I really love to collect some clasps and different things because you just never know. The clasp can really make a difference on your piece. And so I get super excited about having a different array of clasps. Okay, number 15. Here's our pendant. Number 15 is a 41 millimeter brass edged natural Amazonite teardrop pendant. It's double-sided. So I like the edging on there. That's really nice. Makes it look really polished and finished. It does feel like it's thin, but I mean, I don't think that takes away from it. It actually makes it feel a little more upscale, I would say. It's got some nice veining in it. Super cute. 16 is a 7-inch strand of 3 millimeter faceted dyed quartz rondelle beads in teal. So these are quartz. They're just dyed. These are probably my favorite out of the box. They're small, but this little rondelle shape is really in right now. The miniature stones, you're really seeing those a lot in jewelry right now. And you are seeing a lot of different colors, usually like tourmaline and stuff like that. So this is really an active stone right now. And even though it's only, what is this, 3 millimeter, 4x2, 3 millimeter faceted dyed quartz in teal. Yeah, these are my favorite that I've seen from this box this far, which is interesting because you wouldn't think it would be. But, you know, just something simple as a bracelet. Super cute, right? You could actually pull a bracelet off in that. Maybe on some Alonga. So I'm super excited about that. And then we got one left. Lastly, we have 7.5 strands of 6mm electroplated agate round beads in blue iris. So these are like the Drusy beads. You can see right here. You can see they're open. Some of them are electroplated, but they are actually agates. But these are what people generally refer to as a Drusy bead. They're super cute. You could get enough to get a bracelet out of this, or if you were going to mix them in with your project. Honestly, I would mix them. They're very nice. I appreciate those. Okay, so these were all the items. 17 items. Got all of our gold findings, our Amazonite, our pearls. Oh yeah, I forgot about the little bicones. Those were super good. And they were calling this the Sea Breeze. I was just looking on the back of this, since this is my first box, to see if they've left any SKU numbers or identification numbers for us. It doesn't look like they did. But like I said, I'm new to Bargin Bead Box, so I will have to go on and do some research about that. It says on here, if you are a member and you're getting this box, that they are doing show us what you make with your shipment, and will be entered to win a $25 gift card to Bead Box Bargains. You just share your photo, share it to Facebook, and if you have questions, comments, or concerns, you can contact them. So, $62 value, and it's super awesome. I also got a coupon in my box for 30% off of their store, so I'll have to go check that out when I'm looking into all of the information. But anyway, that's all I have for you guys today. This is my first outside video of the year. This is my first bargain bead box that I've ever gotten, so hopefully we're gonna get at least 6 more of these. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment. Let me know if you've gotten this box, if you got anything different from this box, maybe what you've made from your box. Give it a like, a share, and I will throw my logo up on the screen. This will help you to subscribe to my channel, ring the bell so that you know when we're putting up new videos. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.